Hi, Mr. Blazon. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, good day, ma'am. I'm Judith Oblason, 42 years old, from Santo Niño, South Cotabato City. I'm single mother.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am, I have two kids. One boy, 15 years old, one girl, 13 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 6 siblings, 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I'm the eldest child.
Okay, can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm graduated of 4 years course, Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First, I worked in Kuwait from October 2015 to August 2017. I do cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, cooking, and washing the dishes. I work also in Dubai as a domestic helper from February 2018 to November 2019. I do doing cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, and washing the dishes, and take care of 2 cats. I work also here in Philippines as a household helper from February 2021 to present. I do the household works like cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, washing, go to the market, gardening, and my main task is to take care the 4 months of the baby and 6 years old.
Okay. Did you finish your contract in Kuwait and in UAE?
In Kuwait, ma'am, I did not finish my contract because I was not able to return after my vacation. And in Dubai, I did not finish my contract because my employer maltreated me and my co-workers.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself, I'm loving, caring, honest, and loyal.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my financially of my family and to save my future of my kids.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, but little, I'm not scared, but big, I'm scared.
Okay. Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I read the stories of the kids and reading the books and then play with them, with me.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.